Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Precious, and on today's video we are going to be taking down my braids and having like hair washing and like taking care of my hair. Guys, I'm already like from 2 exams and I'm from the gym. I'm exhausted, but I will not work with this hair because it's basically so old, and without doing my edges I just look so messy. So it's time to get them braids chopped up. And yeah guys, this is not eye bags. Actually, because of the exam and eye straining and everything, my mascara just got messed up, so we are just going to fast clean that up. Well, maybe not clean that up, I'm just gonna get straight into the video. So yeah, make sure you like, share and subscribe.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it.
So here is me beginning to take down my braids, and let me tell you guys, even though I decided to remove my braids, I was low-key regretting cutting them off, because this lasted for about 2 months and 2 weeks, and consider that I had done them myself and they were looking pretty. And this is was my first time trying red braids. I was actually crying in my heart, like it was so bad, but it's okay, you know, hair, you do hair again, and I plan to do this again in the future. But yeah, the old thing gotta go and the new things gots to come back. So yeah.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now.
So when I cut my hair, let me tell you, this bob was fire. Like, I was feeling myself. You can see the way it was going to be styled. It was giving, and my friends liked it. But I actually cut my hair. Oh gosh, this is so crazy. Like, look at this. I cut it. Basically, I just got a trim for myself. Good thing is, hair is the last thing on my mind. So irritating. So here is me talking to myself because the night was so long and the process was getting boring. But yeah, I had a good time. I was lucky examining my hair growth, and yeah, that's how it went. So meanwhile, I would like to just give my opinion on something, because I feel like the hair community is divided into two. You know, the natural hair girlies, they are not happy with relaxing hair, and I completely understand, because maybe that's not a healthy alternative. But in this work ethic, in this like high working places and busy places, it's just actually not realistic to keep your natural hair. Sometimes it takes too much time. The washing takes like ages, like removing them. It's very hard to also get your hair done. Okay guys, finally I'm done. It's basically like 2 or 3, I don't even know the time. But yeah, I'm just going to sleep. I'll wash my hair. So see you when I wash my hair. I'm going to wash my hair right now and blow dry it and everything. And so yeah, let's get into the video, like into the washing of course, and shampooing, and yeah. So guys, the first step when I'm going to wash my hair, I first put on a clay a hair clay mask. This is the cream of nature clay and charcoal pre-shampoo detoxifying clay mask. And so I'm going to separate my hair into 4. And continuing with the topic of black hair, honestly, I feel like our hair is a vibe. I feel like having black hair is the biggest flex because you can do anything with your hair. You can have straight hair, you can have curly hair, you can have braids, you can do sew-ins, you can do, just say it and it's done. Black hair is a luxury. Sometimes I think, honestly, black people were meant to be we're meant to be kings and queens because our hair is not even cheap to take care of. Like when you're putting on your hair, you're putting on a whole crown.
Yeah, I find I give you what you need. I know what you like.
So guys, after I put on my clay mask, which has been sitting in my head for like about 30 minutes, I'm going to put in my moisturizing shampoo. I use the pink shampoo for my hair. And guys, for this video, I'm not trying to like remove my clothes to do like a hair wash and go, so I'll just do it like this just to show you my hair care. Like my hair, I've already cut my hair. Like when I was removing my braids, I accidentally cut my hair, so I'm not so happy about that. But what can I say, hair grows and we are not going to stress about that. So guys, actually on the thing about washing your hair, there is this girl who is trending on TikTok for spending 100 days without washing her hair. Girl, I really do be feeling like that girl is lying to us, because ain't no way you're applying gel all this time, you're putting products in your hair, and it's only 100 days and your hair still looks like it's even lifting, like there is not a lot of shading of hair. Like that is the whole lie. And guys, it's very important that ladies should take care of themselves. And if you are in a down mental state, please ask for help. Look for somebody to help you, because we don't need to reach to 100 days before we wash our hair. It's very important that we look clean, we look put together, and hair is very important. And if you ask me, actually, if you're trying your glow up journey, I feel like you should start with your hair, because hair does define a lot of your facial structures. So yep guys, that is my opinion. Please guys, wash your hair. Don't be like that girl on TikTok. So if you're having trouble seeing the bottle, we have stopped using the shampoo and we are now using the conditioner, and this is so that you can detangle your hair, and it's very easy to comb after you wash it, because with 4C or even with relaxed hair, it seems to just get tangled so easily. So it is very important that you do use conditioner when you're washing your hair. And guys, on the topic of content creation, let me tell you, for the people that actually been doing content creating, I feel like they are the most brave people, because it's very hard to come up with ideas that are very organized and to stay in one niche, because sometimes you don't really know what people want to see, and there is a lot of people who are already doing what you're doing, so it can get very challenging and can get more stressful. So if you happen to watch this video up to this point, please let me know what you would like to hear from me. I am a person who is very passionate about beauty in general, getting your hair done, looking put together, like outfits, especially modest dressing, smelling good. Yeah. So let me know what you'd like to hear from me, and I would like all your ideas. I'll maybe put a link for my Instagram so that you can reach out to me. And also, here in this white robe, I just feel like I got my life together, and this towel really leaves my hair like dry with no water inside, so I can be able to blow dry much quicker. So yep, get yourself a nice towel and get yourself a nice hair cloth, and trust me, it won't be hard. It's time to blow dry my hair. I'll have to put in a leave-in conditioner, which I use the same brand, and guys, this smells so good. So it gets to smell good, your hair looks amazing and feels so what can I say, it is soft and it's everything, you can comb it. So yeah guys, this is relaxed hair. I know my hair looks crazy, but
I got to leave, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one.
and look at this.
You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
I don't like putting a lot of products in here. Do a little bit more.
I just wanna let you know. Hope every day you don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. After the morning, my mind was done from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me what you need. Give me what you need. Give me what you give me all you need. Give me what you need. Give me what. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need.
So yes guys, that was my hair care video after removing my braids. Thank you so much for sticking with me after the end of this video. Please like and share and subscribe as I post more videos. And so yeah guys, I have somewhere to be and I won't be putting in braids, so I'm just going to do a head wrap guys.